Our main responsibility is to keep the fleet rolling. We've got over 550 school buses and well over 500 white fleet vehicles that we service all. This yard here predominantly does the special needs buses, whereas our Broadway facility is pretty much all of the 77 and above passenger buses, and the Fremont facility has a wide variety, so they have special needs as well as the large buses. We've got trailers that we work on, and there's a wide variety of sizes of those, being single axles all the way up to triple axles. We've got sedans, SUVs, pickup trucks, box trucks, all the way up to dump trucks. And then of course our wide variety of school buses, ranging anywhere from the minis, which are generally Chevys, all the way up to the 84 passenger diesel pushers. All of our facilities, if we have a bus that breaks down on the road, we've got a mobile repair unit that we can send out to see if the bus is able to drive back to the shop. If that's not a possibility, then we have 2 tow vehicles that are dedicated to that, where we send that out, get the bus towed either back to the shop or to a vendor, whichever we decide to take it to. Proper maintenance, your vehicles are going to last a lot longer, obviously, and you run into a lot less issues later. But eventually, things wear out, you have to replace parts, and vehicles are in need of repairs. In vehicle maintenance, it's a necessity. Almost all of your vehicles have a check engine light, and that'll tell you that, hey, something's going on with this engine. Either we've got a sensor that's out of place or whatever the reason is. That gives us the ability where we can go in, scan the vehicle, find out what codes it's giving us. A lot of times it'll give you a code, but maybe that's not the original problem. Maybe there's further underlying problems that we have to look for. So right now our computers and scanners, those are a necessity at this point. The school buses go under inspections on a daily basis, before they leave for a route and when they get back. They're also inspected by our DPS, Department of Public Safety, once a year. And they're also inspected whenever we're doing LOFs or we get write-ups for them. The drivers have a main responsibility of being able to inspect their vehicle. If they see something going wrong with it, then they let us know. When it comes in here for any kind of inspection, whether it's for maintenance or for emissions or for whatever the purpose is, we generally take a look at each vehicle to make sure we don't have anything else going on. We've got such a good variety of mechanics here right now that in a lot of mechanics their specialty is different fields. So the good part about that is no matter what's wrong with it, we've generally got somebody who can figure it out just from their previous experience. For vehicle maintenance, we've actually got openings for all of our staff. We've got openings for heavy-duty mechanic, we've got openings for assistant mechanic, service worker. So there's a wide range of opportunities to come on board.